So, what is your name, ma'am?
Harriet.
My name is Harriet.
Harriet.
Yeah.
Okay, and you're a customer, a client of MP Uganda?
Yeah.
And how long have you been working with the bank? Is it 2 years?
2 years, I think, and 8 months.
Okay. And what's the name of the village that we're in here?
This village is Nachivizi.
Okay. We're just outside of Jinja?
Yeah, this is in Jinja.
Okay. And can you tell me about the business that you have here? You have some layers, chicken layers that lay eggs, and then you have some layers for
meat.
For meat.
We have the layers.
Okay.
Yeah, they were about 1,000, but they have keeping off lowering a bit. And we have the one for chicken.
Okay. Could you show me the layers? Could we look inside?
Yeah.
Yes.
Get on. Get on.
These are the layers. These are layers.
And we have 250. Or no, we have 80 layers, correct?
Yeah, I had around. They were around 1,000, but they keep on dying, so they are now remaining.
Okay. And they lay about 2 trays of eggs per day, correct?
Today, they haven't got, they say they are not okay. Right now, they haven't got for today.
Okay.
Yeah.
But normally they lay about 2 trays of eggs.
Yeah, nobody.
And each tray's 30 eggs.
It's 30 eggs.
And it sells for about 5,000 Ugandan shillings.
Yeah, 5,000 Ugandan shillings.
Okay. So it could be a great business for cash flow.
Yeah, it's good if you give us more reasonable funds. What we are getting is not really okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it is not enough.
So you're looking for more funds to grow.
To grow bigger.
And how would you do that? Would you buy more layers? Would you buy more chickens for eating?
So like the other space is there, but because of the funds, there is nothing.
Can you show me the new space that you've built? It's a really nice space.
This space is here. If you give more funds, at least this one here. This space here.
Wow.
We need to put more, but the problem is financial.
So how many layers do you think you could put in here?
I think 800 or 900 layers can fit.
Wow. And how many trays of eggs do you think 800 or 900 would be able to produce on a daily basis?
If they are feeding well.
If they're feeding well?
If they are feeding well, I can get 5 trays or 6.
5 or 6 trays per day.
A day.
So that's 25 to 30,000 shillings per day. Let's say 25.
Yeah, that is if you don't get damages. Yeah, because sometimes they lay and they are crops.
Okay. That's actually really good.
Yeah.
So you could produce 600. Yeah, this could be $300-400 easily per month, if not more than that. And then each layer costs about 1,000 to 1,200 shillings. Correct? So that's about 40 to 50 cents US.
Okay, US.
US, it's about 50 cents per chick.
Okay.
And how long does it take for the chick to mature so that they start laying eggs?
For these layers, for the layers at least they take a long period to start laying. Those ones you have at least to feed them for the 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah,
So
but when they start,
yep.
they lay continuously, unless when they get diseases,
if they're sick,
when they lose a bit.
Okay.
When they are cured, they start off.
So you buy them for about 50 cents. You raise them until about 3 months, until they're mature. They start laying, but when they're healthy, they're laying every day. It's great. Can you show us the meat chickens too, please?
These are for the meat.
Hello. And these are 2 weeks old?
They are 2 weeks old.
I'm just amazed at how quickly they grow. Because they're just little guys when you buy them.
They are very little. But after 6 weeks, you sell them off.
6 weeks you can sell. And how much do you buy the meat chickens for? How much for a chick?
When they are chick.
How much do they cost?
So 1,000.
1,000?
Each.
1,000. So about 40 cents US. And how much can you sell them for at 6 weeks?
After 6 weeks, it's 4,000. If the market is high, you can sell 5,000, but it's 4,000 there. 4,000, 350.
So 500% return in 6 weeks. That's really good. How much does it cost to feed them for the first 6 weeks? Is it expensive or?
It is expensive.
Yeah.
It is a bit expensive.
They smell like babies. The smell.
They smell like babies.
Yeah.
But still, they are babies. They are still babies.
And how many are there here?
They were 3,000. They are 350.
350.
But they went on dying. They are now, I think, 300.
300. Okay. So that's actually really good profit. Okay. Well, thank you very much, Harriet. I appreciate the overview, and you've been working.
For coming to monitor our projects we are running.
It's my pleasure.
We need to invest more so that we have more.
So that's the goal is to continue growing to fill this space that you built, and that you also wanted to invest in dairy cows as well.
Yeah.
So you've got some good projects.
We still have a small space there. We can
you have more land?
Shed for dairy keeping.
Okay. Yeah. So you have good projects. You just need some more financing from MP Uganda.
The problem.
All right. Well, let's see what we could do about it.
Even we request that the interest rate be reduced a bit.
Okay. From MP Uganda?
Yeah.
Okay. What are they charging now? What's the interest rate?
The interest rate for the time now, I think we need to get it right from the manager.
From Ivan?
That manager should be knowing the right rate.
Okay.
Now.
It's around 20%?
I think, I'm not very sure, but
okay.
I need to find out from him now.
Okay. Well, like I told you earlier, I started this organization, Evergift, in the United States and America.
Okay.
And we're focused on helping MP Uganda and microfinance institutions get more funding so that you can grow your existing businesses and you could start new ones.
Okay.
So let's see what we could do. All right, we have some escaping babies here. All right, babies. Where are you guys going?